intro to the wonderful Jackula Jimmy Jams Internet Show. Oh yeah.
Because life tastes better when you spread the jam.
Hi friends, welcome to Jimmy Jams. I'm Jim. Let's jam. The weather is always right. Let's suppose that the entire planet is surrounded by a thermally responsive atmosphere, a mixture of gases, elements that are perpetually adjusting to solar activity, the pull of the moon's gravity, heavy tempestuous seas, and drying earth. And let's suppose this activity causes constant changes in natural physical phenomenon, like condensation, cloud cover, wind temperature, and humidity fluctuations. And let's suppose that it's specifically designed for you. When monkeys fly out of my attic, how odd the human race has made a hobby of complaining about the weather. I'm too hot. I'm too cold.
Why, it's humid today.
There's no sun in the sky. The sun is too bright. I'm melting. Well, I'll tell you, I'm sick of this snow.
Seems like it never snows anymore.
It always rains when I wash my car.
Is this fog ever gonna lift?
Why won't it rain and wash off my car?
Why, there's not enough wind for sailing today.
I tell you, it's just too windy for my hair.
My skin is so dry.
The hail completely killed the parakeets I put in my backyard for some fresh air. Okay, that last one was understandable. Sure. But generally, what needs to change? You or the weather? Now the weather actually will change. But will you change? Now I'm sure there are meteorologists out there whose daily job it is to concoct new ways to change the weather by seeding clouds to make them rain, snow to make them stop raining, or to make them rain gummy candy. But if you ask me, the natural system of climate and weather is one of those marvelous reminders that discontentment and dissatisfaction in our me-first consumeristic culture is 98% a problem with me, with you, and especially with you. The weather isn't designed for you specifically at that particular point you happen to be in the space-time continuum. Is there ever a clear demonstration of what's wrong with human nature? Well, if there is, it's the weather. The weather's always in balance. It's always doing exactly what the laws of physics demand from it, and happy is the person who can accept it, because the weather is always right. I pity folks who have to go from using their home's heater one day when the weather is cool to using the air conditioner the very next day when it's just slightly warmer. It saddens me to see someone in a light rain shower have to get into their car to cross a parking lot rather than just walk across and feel the rain on their face. Oh, I know. Weather can cause tornadoes, floods, hurricanes, and all kinds of devastation. Well, naturally, we should take precautions, and we should care for our loved ones and our neighbors. When a 2x4 sails through your living room and impales you in your pancreas, then you have my permission to complain. But even then, it's not going to change the weather. The point is simple. Don't wait for the weather to change to be happy. Instead, seek oneness with the universe through half-price happy hour frappuccinos at Starbucks. It could happen. That's what I think. Be a blessing, people.